Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you Canva enthusiasts out there. I am going to show you how to add shadow in Canva. So, let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open up Canva and create a new design or open an existing one that you'd like to add shadows to. For example, I select this template. Step 2 now. Let's select the element you want to add a shadow to. It can be text, an image, or any other design element. Step 3. Once you have your element selected, you will see Edit Photo button. Click on it, and you will already in Effects tab. In the Effects panel, you'll see various options. For adding a shadow, click on Shadow. A set of options will appear, allowing you to customize your shadow. Step 4. Here's where you can get creative. You can adjust the following settings. Number 1. Size. This controls how transparent or solid your shadow appears. Experiment with it to achieve the desired effect. Number 2. Blur. This determines how soft or sharp the shadow's edges are. A higher value will make it softer. Number 3. Distance. Adjust this to move the shadow closer or farther from your element. Number 4. Angle. Change the angle to control the direction of the shadow. Play around to see what works best for your design. Step 5. You can also change the color of your shadow by clicking on Color. This allows you to get creative with the shadow's hue. Step 6. Once you're happy with your design, make sure to save your work. You can do this by clicking the Share button and selecting Download to save it to your computer or Publish if you're planning to share it online. Now select the file type. When you select it, click on the Download button. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to add shadow in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the video.